Hey guys, so quick video today on how you can turn off the Connect automatically feature on Android Auto. Now, why might you want to do this? Well, if you don't always use the unit for strictly CarPlay or Android Auto, you'll want to turn this off, because what it does is it'll always try and flick over to Android Auto just for ease of use. But this turns off Wi-Fi, because Android Auto actually utilizes that Wi-Fi band. So as you can see, if I try to turn Wi-Fi on the unit right now, it's going to disconnect Auto Link. And then if I go into Auto Link, it's going to go on pair because it's currently on automatically. And then that's going to turn off Wi-Fi. So if you want to use stuff in the unit like streaming software and other stuff that uses Wi-Fi, then you're going to want to turn this feature off. Now, assuming you've got Android Auto up, the way that you can do this is by, on your phone, you can see that Vhedia M is connected, and on the unit as well, you'll see it's in Bluetooth settings, and you'll see your phone. You just want to hit the X there, so that's going to disconnect it from Bluetooth. It's still going to be connected to Auto Link, however. So what you want to do is go to Settings, Network and Internet, and turn Wi-Fi on, because this will kick the Auto Link off. So now you should see there's no phone there, and when you open Auto Link, it should just be on this waiting screen pretty much indefinitely, because it's not going to be able to bridge that connection anymore. Your phone's going to be wanting to connect, just don't let it. And then you're going to go to Settings, and in here, Wireless Auto Connect. So I've got it off right now. Wired Connect automatically, you can turn that off as well. You're probably using the unit wirelessly, but just in case, you can turn that off. And now basically what's going to happen, so if I go back onto Bluetooth, so I'll accept that pairing request from the unit. And now if I turn on Wi-Fi, or it's already on, it's just going to stay on, and it's not going to automatically connect. So now the way that you have to connect when you start up your car is just going to go to this screen, and it's going to assume Bluetooth will still automatically connect, so it'll still take your phones and your music and stuff like that. But if you want Auto Link specifically, you'll now have to tap it, and it doesn't take long at all. It'll still just come up like this, be connecting, and then little pair request, accept, and then you're on.